Hi dolls and gents, I'm back with a new video on this gorgeous wig right here. I have been obsessed with the Kinky straight wigs and I definitely had to try it in this hot reddish brown color. I want to thank Beauty Forever for sponsoring today's video. I've been obsessed with the half up, half down hairstyle as of late, so that is the style I decided to do with this hair today. I actually am going to show you a couple different options, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video, and definitely stay tuned if you would like to see how I achieved this install today. So my Beauty Forever wig came in this festive Merry Christmas box. It also came with this wig cap, elastic band, press-on nails, as well as this goodie bag full of a wig cap, makeup brush, another elastic band, and eyelashes. So I did bleach the knots on this wig as well as tint that lace. It does have 2 wig combs on the top, 1 in the back, and it is an adjustable cap. It also has a little bit of lace in the back if you would like to wear this wig up in a ponytail. And here's the natural texture of the hair after co-washing, y'all. So let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head, get it nice and situated so that the middle of the wig is lined up with the middle of our hairline. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove that excess lace. I'm going to take my scissors in a zigzag motion across the entire hairline to remove that excess lace, y'all. This is going to give it a more natural look. I noticed that the ear tabs on this wig went up kind of higher than I'm used to. So I don't know if maybe I received a small cap instead of a medium, but I could see around the ear tabs, you could see my natural hair a bit. I know y'all are like, girl, you use the same wig spray every time you install your wigs. Listen, the way my scalp is set up, I cannot wear a wig for longer than a day or two. My scalp is like, take this wig off. I will be slapping my head, all types of stuff. So yeah, I love this spray. I have it in the yellow can, I have it in the red, and also the black. And the black is definitely the best. So once I've sprayed that across my entire hairline and let it get nice and tacky, I'm going to go ahead and put the lace down, and I'm going to use my finger just to press it in so it does not move. For extra security, I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool setting, and I'm going to make sure that that lace is held down with the adhesive spray, y'all. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pin up the hair on the wig with a clip, and we are going to apply the elastic band to melt the lace into our skin. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back, y'all. My makeup is done. Let's go ahead and style this wig. I decided to go with a middle parting. I knew I wanted to do a half up, half down hairstyle, but I wanted to do it a little bit different than just straight back. And also because the ear tabs did kind of show some of my hairline, since it didn't come down all the way, I thought that doing it like this might be a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and pin the back of my hair out the way, and then I'm going to take this wax stick and use my comb, and we are going to get this hair nice and laid up top so that it can go nicely behind our ears. Now I'm going to take my spritz and hot comb it one more time just to get it pretty flat. I don't want it super flat. That's why I did not flat iron the hair, because this hair still has a bit of texture to it. And I'm going to go ahead and start bringing it behind my ears, but I'm going to pull that hair closer to the front to kind of hide the ear tab area. Next, I'm going to connect those two pieces of hair in the back, and I'm going to do this with an elastic hair tie, y'all. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take out that clip, and I'm going to see what is going on, because I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to do the hair at this point. It does look cute down, but I didn't want to go for a down look. So I decided to go ahead and do a half up, half down style, because that's what I've been loving lately, y'all. So I'm going to take my wax stick again so we can get that area nice and flat by the ponytail, but I still want it to have texture again, because this is a kinky straight texture and I did not flat iron this hair. Now I'm going to use an elastic hair tie, and I'm going to wrap it around about 4 times, and then on that last time I'm going to do like a half bun and leave some of the hair out. Then I'm going to split that bun part into 2 parts. And this is the idea that I had. I wanted it to look like I was a present, so like a bow up top. And then I decided to take that extra piece and wrap it around the hair and also the hair tie. But it really wasn't giving what I wanted to give y'all. Like, I like the vibe, I like the idea, but the bow wasn't quite right for me. So I decided to go with a different style after this. If you can perfect that bow better, I think this might work with like straight hair better, to be honest. But I feel like this would look super cute for like a Christmas party, holiday theme type of vibe. I really liked the idea, but it didn't execute the way I wanted it to, y'all. So I decided to keep the half up, half down hairstyle, but just a regular ponytail, and it was still just as cute, y'all. So here is the final look that I decided to go with. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you're interested in checking out these hair extensions, I will leave a link down to Beauty Forever's website, as well as any coupon codes that I have for y'all in the description box. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. If you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That really helps a lot. Share it with all your friends, and I will be sure to catch y'all in my next video. Happy holidays. I love y'all. Bye. I have hundreds and hundreds of videos on my channel, y'all. Be sure to click this box and you'll be able to catch my next vibe.